I am here Marcos Mamay of Lanao del Norte. So actually one thing that caught my attention when you made to us regarding with the reason why the neighboring countries like Indonesia, Malaysia, Brunei are not fond of going to Philippines, or Philippines is not their preferred destination. So as we all know, these countries are Muslim countries, and then they are very particular with the halal product and services. The vast tourism potential of the Muslim countries in the BIMP-IAGA remains to be untapped, especially for the Mindanao region. So this is largely due to our uncoordinated and misguided approach to develop our halal industry. We need to consolidate our efforts in the government to private sector, and since the halal industry is religious-based, the respected Islamic leaders. So given this solely to the Department of Tourism is propagating the compartmentalized approach and serious thinking in societal problem solving. So we need to have a whole of government and a whole of society approach. So I am proposing that an interagency body be formed composed of the academy to develop halal-based animal science and husbandry curricula and field schools. The Bureau of Animal Industry of the Department of Agriculture, the pertinent agencies and authorities involved in livestock and dairy production, the private sector, the halal certification sector, the NCMA for National Commission for Muslim Filipinos, and the representation from the RDCs. So this body could be chaired by the Department of Tourism. So this is it, sir. So I hope this must be given a preferential attention.
Akala ko maaga pa. Hindi ako prepared na natigil kayo kaagad. Well, magandang step forward po yan, sir, no? Well, kami mismo hindi namin magagalaw yan dahil iba rin kung iba yung may hawak ng halal development, ng halal tourism development. With your proposal, mukhang para sa akin, okay siya. Maganda yan.
Actually, sir, this concern applies not only in the park but the whole country. Yeah. Because actually, the very reason why, as I said earlier, why Muslim countries are not fond of coming here in the Philippines because of the absence of halal products and services here. So you know, they are very particular with the halal. So that's a very reason. So that is why, in my concern, being as a participating but at the same time as a national figure. So we are working hard. We are exerting much effort in order to help our Muslim brothers and sisters.